How to make Keto Yogurt Granola Bowl. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients: ½ cup full-fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoon pecans, 2 tablespoon almonds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 ounce raspberries, 1½ teaspoon erythritol. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. On a cutting board, chop up the pecans and almonds. 3. In a bowl, combine the chopped pecans and almonds with the chia seeds. Mix together. 4. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the coconut oil and erythritol. 5. Toss the nuts plus seeds into the frying pan. Toast for about 5 minutes. 6. In a serving glass, pour the Greek yogurt, then the nuts plus seeds, then the raspberries. Create another layer by repeating the previous steps. 7. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Yogurt Granola Bowl. Each serving comes out to be 493 calories, 41 grams fat, 8 grams net carbs, and 17.4 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.